Well, after a few weeks of watching this Carnival Vista situation, and this past week it's been kind of quiet, let's give an update because we got an update on the Vista, and I'm about to give you the breaking news right here on Blue Collar Cruising. Hey, welcome to the Blue Collar Cruising channel. This is a place where we sit here and talk cruising. I show you the cruising life, all right, and views and just cruising all the time on this channel. So, hey, if you're kind of like me, you kind of a country boy, kind of blue collar, and you think, well, I always kind of thought cruising was this, but maybe it is for me. Maybe consider subscribing to this channel, okay? Because I've got cruises this summer that I'm going to take you guys on, and then obviously we're going to sit here and talk cruising right here. Subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and do all that YouTube stuff, and let's get us on out there and grow this channel together, okay? So we've been following this Vista thing for a few weeks now. A little bit of history. 2019, cruise ship Carnival Vista had engine issues. They had to cancel cruises. They had to put in an emergency dry dock to fix it, and it took upwards close to a month to fix it. It was disappointing for a lot of people. Well, starting in about late March into April, the Carnival Vista also started having engine problems again. And those of you guys are like me that are booked on the Carnival Vista, you're sitting there thinking, whoa, is this going to affect my cruise vacation? All right, and then earlier this past week, I saw on Facebook where, Carnival had taken all the June bookings down, and I'm sitting there thinking, well, I'm cruising in June. So I looked on it, and sure enough, no available cruises the month of June for the Carnival Vista. The day later, they put them back up, and then obviously you had the trolls on the internet sitting there saying, well, you shouldn't be doing this video because you're lying. I'm like, no, I'm not. They just put the bookings back up on the website. Anyway, you can't explain to some people how this stuff works and how YouTube works and things of that nature. I've been following the Vista because my cruise is coming up on June 4th. And I've been following the Vista very closely the last few weeks, especially since all this stuff's been going on, because we were on the Vista in February and it ran fine. Current update. Previous week, they had to cancel Grand Cayman. Spent very little time in Cozumel and very little time in Jamaica. And it was just limping along. Supposedly, they were supposed to pick up a technician in Jamaica, and that technician was supposed to be working on the motor. On the engine, whatever they call it on the ship. Preparation, I can't even say that, so I just say engine. Listen, I'm a country boy, okay? I'm just a country boy. I say the easy words. I just say the easy words here, all right? So I've been following it this week because it's the same itinerary this week. They have Honduras, Belize, and Cozumel. So I've been following it. A lot of people have been contacting me, say, hey, I know somebody on the ship, or I'm on the ship. And guess what? Here's the breaking news that only you're going to find right here. The ship is sailing at normal speed. No ships, or they were not late at any ports, no ports missed, and they're on schedule to be back to Galveston on time. As I record this on Friday night, this will be published on Saturday, so you guys will probably already see that it's already there. That is good news, because let me tell you guys something. A few weeks ago, I got all nervous, and I took off my cruise hat, and I took off my cruise sunglasses. Oh, the Carnival Vista's having problems? What? Oh, jeez. Well, time to put on my cruise hat and my cruise sunglasses. Here we go. Let's get it going. Yeah. There's my suit. There we go. So, in a week's time, you're going to see me in Galveston, by God, Texas, and we're going on a cruise, and we're going to Honduras. We're going to get in those private cabanas, okay? We're going to Belize, where we're probably not getting off the ship, and then we're going to Naichicacom in Cozumel. So hopefully you guys will stay tuned to the channel because I'm going to show you the views and everything. I'm looking forward to it. I got my cameras charging. I'm ready to go. I got my cruise hat on, got my cruise sunglasses on, and I'm ready to cruise. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. 73.